To attach and adjust your handlebars, start by removing the screws holding the handlebar bracket in place and set them aside. Then center your handlebar in the bracket, ensuring the cables are in front of your handlebar and your display is on the left grip. Replace handlebar bracket and tighten screws in an X pattern. Ensure your handlebar bracket is facing forward and tighten the stem cap at the top of the handlebar stem. Then remove the rubber caps from your handlebar clamp and set them aside. Ensure your handlebar is centered and facing forward, aligned with your front and rear tire. Twist to align if necessary. Tighten the stem side screws and hold your stem cap in place. Do not over-tighten, as you will need to align your handlebars after assembly. Finally, replace rubber caps on the stem side screws.